Stop looking at that stack of papers sitting on the corner of your desk like it is some kind of modern art installation. We both know it is just a mountain of stress waiting to happen. Most people think scanners are these slow, grinding relics from the 90s that take forever to warm up. But what if your hardware actually moved faster than your morning espresso machine? That is exactly the kind of energy we are looking at with this new flagship scanning beast. It is built for the person who deals with chaos daily and needs a way to digitize a life's worth of paperwork without losing their mind. You grab a stack of 100 pages. You drop them in the tray. Then you just watch them vanish. It hits a speed of 45 pages every single minute. Think about that for a second. By the time you finish checking a single email, a massive folder of documents has already been converted into clean, searchable digital files. The real magic happens right on the front of the device. There's a huge 5-inch touchscreen staring back at you. It feels more like using a premium smartphone than an office tool. You do not even need to touch your computer to get most of the work done. You just tap a couple of buttons and send your files directly where they need to go. Whether you live in Google Drive, rely on OneDrive, or need to push receipts straight into your accounting software, it handles the handoff beautifully. It does not care if you are a Windows person or a Mac devotee. It even plays nice with Chromebooks. The wireless connectivity is designed to play nice with almost everything. You could be standing in the kitchen with your phone and trigger a scan across the room. It is that level of convenience that makes you wonder why we ever tolerated those flatbed scanners that required you to lift a heavy lid for every single page. But let us get into the messy details because no piece of tech is perfect. Everything hinges on the proprietary software that comes bundled with the machine. For most people, it works like a dream. It organizes your files and cleans up the image quality. However, some users have hit a wall when it comes to the initial setup. If your home network is a bit finicky or you have a complicated Wi-Fi mesh system, you might find yourself troubleshooting for longer than you would like. There is also a bit of a weird quirk regarding where your files go. If you want to scan directly to a specific folder on your hard drive without opening the main desktop app, you might find some of those fancy features suddenly go missing. It is like the machine wants to hold your hand through the whole process. If you try to break away, it gets a little stubborn. If you are the type of person who scans a couple of pages once a month, this is probably overkill for your needs. This machine is a thoroughbred. It is designed for the heavy hitters. We are talking about small business owners, lawyers, or anyone drowning in receipts and contracts. It turns a chore that used to take an entire afternoon into a 5-minute task. You have to decide if you are willing to navigate a few software hiccups to get that raw power. For those who prioritize cloud convenience and need to chew through massive batches of paper daily, the trade-off is absolutely worth it. It is about reclaiming your physical space and making sure you can actually find that one specific invoice 3 years from now with a simple keyword search. Digital freedom is great, but getting there requires the right kind of muscle. This scanner provides that muscle in spades, provided you are ready to play by its software rules. It is about making your workflow feel effortless instead of like a constant battle against gravity and paper cuts. It is a high-speed solution for a high-speed world where paper just should not exist anymore.